Welcome to Space Tech videos. So today I'm going to teach you how to change the Facebook page name. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Log into your account and then locate the page that you wish to change the name of. So I've got like around 4 pages already. So I've created this page just to show you how to change the name of the Facebook business page. So let's say if I want to change the name of this trendsetter page that I've created, and you just have to click on, I'll start from the beginning. I've logged into my account, located the page which is on the top right corner, your pages, clicked on the page that I wanted to change the name of, and then you don't have to really get into the settings and edit page info because the information is right in front of our eyes, that is below this icon. Just you have to click on the see more, search for about, click on about, and then you will see the name of the page. That the page is, once you create the page, the information of about appears here on the left side of the page. So once you click on the page name, edit, okay, in the about section, you can change the name of your business. So let's say from trendsetter, I'm just changing the name. For example, I'm changing the name to trend maker. Okay, so this is just an example. You can change the name as per your requirement. If you're updating your brand, if you're updating the name of your brand or a business, so this is how you will make the change in your page. Click on continue. Basically you're putting a request to Facebook to change the name, so you will here click on request change, and if your name is unique and is really easily changeable, then click on OK. It will automatically quickly it will get approved and you will see the notification on the left side of the screen. If it is little difficult, then Facebook might take some time to change the name of the Facebook page. So generally we see people changing name because of the upgradation, or possibly there's some merging, or for any reason the company is merging with some other brand, or some company has taken over the brand. So that is how we get to see the new name that comes into place, and we change the name everywhere wherever we have presence on the digital marketing platform. So now, as you can see, I've changed my name from trendsetter to trend maker. Generally what happens is it gets approved, but now that we know that, or if the name already, we may not be able to put up another request. But it seems that the trend maker is very well changeable. I don't see any other brand name which is known as trend maker. So the video is getting long because of this approval process. See, it is already approved, but due to, I think, my internet connection, it is not getting, we were not getting the see, it is already approved, name has been changed, now it is trend maker. Okay, see, now your page is successfully, the page name is successfully changed to trend maker. It is no longer trendsetter. So this is how you change the name of the Facebook business page, and hope you like the video. If you do, then please do like, share, comment. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great one.